Now, the first thing we need is the server itself. So let me show you how to get that set up. We're going to use Hostinger. The first link in the description opens a page that has Hermes Agent already pre-selected for automatic installation, so we don't have to set that up manually. The link also stacks an extra 10% discount on top of whatever sale Hostinger is currently running, which makes this the cheapest way to get a working Hermes Agent online anytime. So go ahead and use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below. When you click that link, you'll land on this page here. And if you click the Choose Plan button, that'll take you down to see the pricing options. You'll see a few VPS plans listed side by side. We're going to pick KVM2. It comes with 2 CPU cores, 8 GB of memory, and 100 GB of storage. I want to be straight with you about why we're not picking the cheapest plan. Later in this video, we're going to give the agent skills that let it browse the web, and the agent already runs inside a Docker container on Hostinger for safety. Both of these use real resources. The smaller plan can technically run Hermes, but it can't run all of that at the same time without slowing down or freezing up. KVM2 also happens to be the plan that Hostinger themselves recommend for Hermes. So go ahead and click Choose Plan on the KVM2 option. You'll be taken to the cart page, and the first thing you'll want to do is select the period for your registration. You can choose 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months, and you generally get the best value, the lowest per month price overall if you select 24 months, but if that's too much for you for getting started, totally understand. I recommend then selecting the 12-month option. That's the lowest term they'll let you select and still take advantage of our coupon. If you select 1 month, they don't let you use that extra 10% discount. Next, you can see that they already have the Hermes Agent auto deploy set up for this particular option, so that's great. Last, you want to choose your server location. You generally want to pick a server location closest to you or whatever has the lowest latency. Here, I'll select one of these United States Boston options, which gets me only 8 milliseconds of latency, which is fantastic. If you want to protect your setup, you could also turn on daily auto backups. By default, you get weekly auto backups. For me, that's just fine, but if you want to make sure that everything's protected, you can turn that on. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and click Continue. On the next page, go ahead and register your account. On the next page, enter your billing address and your payment information to complete the checkout. And I want to point out that there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, so anytime in the next 30 days, if you have any issues, you can just reach out to Hostinger and get your money back. When you complete the checkout, you'll get this confirmation. Next, Hostinger drops you onto a short setup form. Now, we just need to choose the admin credentials for the Hermes web terminal and let the server build itself. By default, they populate the admin username as Hermes, which works just fine, and they give you a custom generated secure password. Now, click on the eye icon to reveal the auto-generated password. I'm showing mine here because I'm going to delete this account later, but definitely make sure that you don't share this with anyone. This is how you access your agent. Go ahead and copy this username and password and save it somewhere safe. Then simply click Deploy. Hostinger is now building your server and installing Hermes on it. This takes a few minutes, so I'll go ahead and fast forward to when it's complete. When it finishes, you'll be routed into the Hostinger dashboard, and you might be presented with a survey. You can fill it out if you want, or simply click Skip. There's also maybe a pop-up or two, and you can simply dismiss them. Welcome to Hostinger's Docker Manager. You can see here that your Hermes agent is already running in a new Docker project, and it has traffic set up as a reverse proxy to make sure that you can access your agent from anywhere on the web securely.